To enable high ping in CS2, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings to achieve the desired ping level. Step 1. Open CS2 settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the options related to network or gameplay settings where you can adjust ping-related configurations. Step 2. Locate network settings. In the settings menu, find the network settings section. This area typically includes options for adjusting your connection type, server selection, and ping preferences. Step 3. Adjust ping settings. Within the network settings, look for an option that allows you to set or simulate high ping. This may involve selecting a specific server known for high latency or adjusting a slider that controls ping levels. Step 4. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. This step is crucial to apply the new configurations to your gameplay. Step 5. Test your connection. Return to the main menu and start a game to test your new settings. Monitor your ping to ensure it reflects the changes you made and that you are experiencing the desired high ping effect. By following these steps, you can successfully enable high ping in CS2. Enjoy your gaming experience.